loves to love, she loves to sing, she does everything. She loves to love, she loves to go to all the other things. So hold tight, hold tight, baby, hold tight. I'm 15, by the way. In case you're wondering how I made it there, it's on. But guys, some of you guys just look great out there. I love this 80s spirit we got going on this Ruby Princess 80s cruise. I saw one dude, I thought he had the most beautiful head of hair. I think it came in a package, but that's all good. It's all good. You're celebrating this era, right? This era that doesn't even seem like it was 40 years ago, but it sure was. Isn't that crazy? I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Journey celebrating their 50th anniversary. We're here playing this music, and we're just so excited to be here sharing the music of the greatest rock band of all time. Right? And I know a lot of you guys, when you were getting on the cruise, you're like, oh, there's a Journey tribute on here. I hope they play blank, right? You probably come in here into the theater expecting to hear a favorite song, right? One of your favorite songs from the era. So how about on the count of 3, you guys shout out your favorite Journey song. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Yes, the next cruise we do with you guys, we're going to play some of those songs. Those sound pretty good suggestions. But right now, folks, we're going to go ahead and take it all the way back to a song that Journey wrote about their hometown of San Francisco. If you feel so...
So check this out, Journey's most popular and prolific lead singer is a man by the name of Steve Perry. You know this next anthem off of 1984's 2-time Platinum Album Street Talk. This is O'Shea.
The very talented Mr. Mike Claremont. Back in 1982, Journey wrote a song. It was a song about love, a song about dedication, and in DSB we feel like this applies to a whole nother set of people. Of course, we're talking about the brave men and women who have procured our freedoms. So if you will, with us for a moment, just understand that while these are about music and being on the road, it does talk about sacrifice, and we'd like it to apply to the group of people that I just mentioned. So maybe hear this song like you've never heard it before. not a Journey song, but that's okay. Anyway, the point is, if you have a favorite Journey song you want to hear, we'll go ahead and put it in the next show. But ladies and gentlemen, so many people here thank at the Princess Theater. I want to thank our production manager. He's up there. He's got an amazing crew here tonight. Give it up for Arnell, everybody. Yeah. And helping us sound like Journey up there, front of house engineer. Let's hear it for Renee. Here. And of course, on lights and video, let's hear it for Romar. Nice and loud for him. Now, it used to be the way you would show a band or you would support a band is you go out to a record store, you'd buy their record, right? And that's how you would show them you were committed to, right, to their journey, right? No pun intended. But nowadays, what we ask you to do is go onto our social networks and friend us and like us and share. Tell your friends about us because that's really going to help us as well. Ladies and gentlemen, we got some amazing entertainment on this ship as well. We have our friends Red Corvette coming on, and of course, Wanted, the Bon Jovi tribute. You do not miss those as well. Those are going to be a lot of fun. But for now, ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause on the drums from Boston, Massachusetts. Let's hear it nice and loud for Mr. Danny Fernland. On the keys once more for Mr. Henry O'Neill. On the bass, Mr. Mike Claremont. And on the lead guitar, Mr. Jay Gore. My name is Juan Del Castillo. Can we do another song for you? Don't stop believing, can we do it? I said, can we sing a movie, Princess? Here we go now, 1, 2, 3, go! Shout it again, come on! Yeah, one more time!
And that is going to end our first sea day here on board the Ruby Prince. We've been busy today. I mean, just go, go, go.
And nap.
Yeah, I did get a nap in now. Okay. So I go to bed one time. But that's different. We went to a new Princess Cruiser kind of show this morning. Being our first time on Princess, we figured we'd kind of check that out. We did some trivia. We went to the champagne toast. They did a champagne fountain champagne toast. We did that. Now, the concert we went to tonight was awesome. It was a Journey tribute band, part of our It's an 80s cruise. They were awesome.
Yeah, they were. What is it, DSB?
DSB.
Yes.
Yeah, they were really, really awesome. So far, our cruise here on board Princess, it's been pretty good.
Yes.
Gonna have some things to talk about when we get home, but overall, it has been a good cruise. But it is late, we are tired, and tomorrow is Cozumel, Mexico. So we're going to get some sleep. But I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. We'll let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day.
And like always, we'll see you out on the high seas.
Good night, everybody.
Good night.